Hi guys, it's me, Mason again, and welcome to part 5, I think. Yeah, part 5 of explaining every tropical cyclone of the Atlantic hurricane season in the 21st century. And yesterday was Debbie, I think. Yeah, yesterday was Debbie. So, if I look at storm names, Ernestone. Hold on, guys. Stone, not 2024. 2000. We're going back to the wiki. Tropical Storm Ernestone, and screw the ad. It was formerly from a Wikipedia article. So Tropical Storm Ernestone is what we're going on today, and Storm Ernestone was the 17th tropical cyclone in the 5th storm of the 2000 hurricane season, and Ernestone developed from a tropical wave emerging into the Atlantic Ocean on the 28th. And tropical was organizing itself over the next few days. It was upgraded to a tropical depression on September 1st, while it was Sorry, guys. Loki, roughly 850 miles east of the Barbados. By the next morning, the tropical depression had strengthened into Tropical Storm Ernestone. Vertical wind shear did not allow Tropical Storm Ernestone to strengthen any further. Minimal tropical storm status than tropical storm strengthened further than tropical storm status. After thing as a tropical cyclone for at least 48 hours, vertical wind shear caused to dissipate. The remnants of tropical storm then managed with a frontal system several days later. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.